Welcome to Kitty TV. The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once upon a time, a clever monkey lived on a tree by a river. The tree bore delicious sweet fruits which the monkey enjoyed every day. One day, a crocodile came to the river bank looking tired and hungry. The kind-hearted monkey offered him some fruits. The crocodile enjoyed the fruits and soon became friends with the monkey. Every day the monkey gave the crocodile tasty fruits and they spent time talking and laughing. The crocodile's wife, however, grew jealous of their friendship. She wanted to eat the monkey's heart, believing it would be as sweet as the fruits he ate. She convinced the crocodile to bring the monkey to their home. The crocodile, thought reluctant, tricked the monkey by inviting him for a ride across the river. The monkey happily agreed. But as they reached the middle of the river, the crocodile revealed his true intention, that he was taking the monkey to his wife who wanted to eat his heart. The quick-witted monkey did not panic. He laughed and said, "Oh dear friend, why didn't you tell me earlier? I left my heart on the tree. Take me back and I will give it to you." The foolish crocodile believed him and swam back to the river bank. As soon as they reached, the monkey quickly jumped up the tree to safety. Then he told the crocodile, "You betrayed my trust. Now go away and never return." Feeling ashamed, the crocodile swam away and the monkey lived happily ever after. Moral of the story: wisdom and quick thinking can save you from danger. Betrayal destroys trust and friendship. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.